Have you ever wanted to channel the legendary style of Brian O'Connor and give your car that blockbuster look? Well, now you can with our XKmax Underglow kits. Our XKmax Underglow kits are the best way to take your car from daily driver to nightly show car. What makes our Underglow stand out against the competition? That's where we introduce XKmax, our 5th generation of app-controlled lighting that is packed with innovation. Built with high-quality RGBW LEDs, you get the best of both worlds. Vivid, full-spectrum color-changing effects, and a super bright, pure white light. But what really sets our Underglow apart is its addressable LED technology, which unlocks a wide range of advanced chasing patterns and animated lighting effects. And if you don't find the perfect look in the app, no problem, you can create your own custom themes to perfectly match your car. Yes, you can sync your lights to music, use your phone's camera to color match your setup, and so much more, but our XKmax controllers also let you tap into your factory turn signals, brake lights, and courtesy lighting, so your kit integrates right into your car's factory lighting. Now, these lights aren't just built for show cars, but we've constructed them to last through any terrain, whether that's on or off the road. The Underglow is made up of impact-resistant polycarbonate tubes that are built to handle any conditions. And thanks to the upgraded XKmax connectors and a fully sealed construction, they boast an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning water, dust, and the elements are no match for these kits. Even with all of the performance with our original XKmax Underglow, we decided that we wanted to come out with a kit that takes it even farther. That is when we made the XKmax Ultra Underglow kit. We went from our original tubes and made them out of extruded aluminum, giving you a ton of durability and 3 times the brightness. So let's take a moment to look at each kit in detail. The original XKmax kit comes in 4 different kit sizes: Mini, Standard, Advanced, and Pro. The Mini kit is the essential interior kit, and it stair steps up to the Pro kit, which comes with interior, underglow, and wheel well lighting. The XKmax Ultra kit is a little different. Rather than deciding how much glow you want to measure the side skirt of your vehicle and then select either the 5, 6, 7, or 8 foot option. That way you can have uninterrupted glow around your entire vehicle. Which of these kits are right for you? That's for you to decide. Both kits offer the same awesome features and effects, app control, and durability. It solely comes down to how much you want your ride to shine. Thank you for watching this overview of our XKmax Underglow kits, and if you're interested in one of these kits, head on over to XKGLOW.com or click the link in the description below. As always, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and follow us across all of our social media pages linked in the description below. We will see you in the next video.